Smudge-proof mascara for over 40s.
I'm in love, Katie. Let's see yours.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. It's called Doe-Eyes, and as a professional makeup artist, I got fed up with all the mascaras being made for the 20-somethings.
Yeah. What about us?
What about us? Now, this is a mascara that makes your eyes look so open and so lifted that even your 20-year-old self would want to get their hands on it, wouldn't they?
Yeah, my daughter's going to get her hands on that. The reason I love this mascara so much is because I'm a glasses wearer. And when I wear glasses, I feel like your eyes are going to be hidden. But with this, can you see?
I mean, it just shows off your eyes.
Yeah, I feel like they're not hiding anymore.
No.
I'm sort of pleased to wear my glasses.
Yeah, it looks so pretty.
Love it.
So, Katie, let me tell you, this is 100% smudge proof. But best of all, this little wand here, can you see how thin it is?
I don't really think it's going to do much, do you?
It is so clever because it's designed to catch every single baby lash. So that means, you know, regular mascara wands are big, and I think as we age, our eyes sort of go a little bit smaller, don't they? So it's harder to get those big wands on your lashes.
I always feel like it just goes on and then it's going to hit the roof like my hooded eye.
Yes.
Just hit that top bit.
Yeah, but this, it grabs right at the root and then lifts. And this has got unique curling properties to it as well.
So it look really open.
So it opens and it lengthens and it volumizes and it gives you doe eyes. So we've done quite a kind of full-on length look, but say you wanted a very natural look, should we show everyone how to apply it?
And how easy it is.
And how easy it is. Okay, so let's get our wands.
Got mine. And are we just going to do a nice natural look for this one?
Yeah, I think a natural look. So what I like to do is firstly take the very thin wand and really hold it on the root of your lashes. So it almost tickles the very like upper waterline, and just wiggle it and then lift it. And just wiggle and lift.
God, it shows that straight away, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. And then I almost blink onto my mascara wand like that. And then I will turn it round to get the thinner part right into the inner corner, like so. I mean, look how, this acts almost like an eyelash curler as well.
Can you see already? That's just a couple of
Yeah, it looks so pretty.
Strokes.
So you can decide whether you want to wear it like we're wearing it here, or maybe you want to wear it slightly more natural like we're applying now. So I then hold it vertically with a very thin point here, with a very thin end of the wand, holding it vertically to just do the outer corners. Can you see how it's grabbing those outer corners?
It just picks up with ones you don't see.
Yeah, it really does. The inner corners, really cute. And then I will do the bottom lashes. And we're just showing how you can wear this mascara in two different ways. So again, look how I'm holding the wand vertically. I've designed it so it grabs those real baby lashes there. And you can see as the mascara picks up those baby lashes, look how it just frames the eye and makes them look doe-eyed, which is why I've called it
I didn't
doe-eyed.
even know that my bottom lashes were so long.
That looks so cute.
I had no idea. I love
This, honestly, is, I know I'm biased because I've made this mascara, but it's my holy grail. I will never want to be without this.
No, I would never want to be
And
without this.
actually, I bet the 20-somethings will want to get their hands on this as well. But we've made it for us,
It's for
girls.
us.
It's for us. It's for the over 40s that, you know, people don't think about in the makeup industry. But we do.
This is our time.
This is our time. So look how cute it is as well.
I'd be pleased to have that in my makeup
Yeah,
bag, you know?
I've made it really pretty as well, and just like you'd get it out of your purse and be like, oh, it's just my doe eyes.
Oh, this is nothing. My natural lashes.
So this is, well, for me that's quite natural, but you could even wear even less. And then I'm also going to show you how, if you want to, you build it up. So if you want to build it up to this, then you're simply going to apply, you know, more layers.
Do you dip your wand back in again? And
You can do, yeah. So to do that, I'm literally just taking the wand and blinking onto it. Can you see how easy that is? And I've designed the wand to almost be like me as your makeup artist in this wand. So all you do is blink onto it and the wand does all the hard work for you.
It's foolproof, isn't it?
It's totally foolproof. And you can see as I'm applying it, it's not going cloggy. It's not, you know, it's just looking really, really cute. Also, because this wand is so thin and you can get it right on the root, so it almost is stamping the root there, it gives you the look of wearing eyeliner without having to even apply it.
It sort of almost defines your eyes more,
It
doesn't
really
it?
does. How cute. Look at us. So, ladies, girls, friends, Doe-Eyes, I've made this for us. This is our time, the over 40s.
Yeah, you're going to want this in your makeup bag.
Love it.